Hey, I'm Ashley and this is Chip Builds, and today we're going to make some Star Wars fidget spinners. I use spray adhesive to attach the template to the wood. I use a forstner bit to drill out the hole for the bearing to sit in. I decided to cut these out on the scroll saw because they are so thin. The imperial logo took a long time to cut because I had to stop to change the blade multiple times. I repeated the same process for the Rebel logo. I sanded these smooth using 120 grit sandpaper. I used spray paint to color these. I use super glue to hold the bearings in place. If your bearing is slow, hit it with WD-40 and it will go 3 times as fast. Thanks for watching.
Dun 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 ba-dum bum ba-dum ba 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 ba-dum dum da-dum ba ba ba-dum